Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a Kali Linux virtual machine. So first, what you want to do is go to Google or whatever Firefox or whatever browser you're using. For Windows, you want to type in VirtualBox. And then go to the website, downloads, and then it will have all these hosts. Same for Mac OS and Linux, but for Linux I think it might be easier to do a Flatpak. So you can do one of these Flatpaks all from these Linux distributions. Ubuntu is what I'm using, so if you're using Ubuntu, you'll be doing one of these. And the software side of things, then you'll go to the software store and type in you'll type in VirtualBox, and then you'll go into here. Now for the ISO or the pre-built images, you'll go to kalilinux.org or kali.org. You'll click download. You can either do the installer images, which if you want to customize your install, I would go with that. If you don't care, then go for one of these. From either one of these virtual machine softwares you're using, you will have to install it from there. Now, you will go to Open, and then you will go to Kali Linux, and then you'll go to one of your virtual machines. But since I have mine installed, we're going to boot it up. And the username and password is Kali, and that is it. And that is how you set up a virtual machine. Now, let's do some hacking tools. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you how to do a pen test. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Firefox. And then download, wait, what was it again? Okay, so first we're going to type in AirScript, GitHub, and then we're going to download AirScript. So first, you're going to follow all these instructions. We're going to do all dependencies. And then once it's done, with the pre-written instructions I have, I will show you how to run the pen test. So we don't need the web browser anymore, so we'll just do local Kali. And we will type, once it's done, just have to wait. The music that's playing in the background, if anybody's wondering, it's the Undertale soundtrack from the song. It's the song from the Undertale soundtrack, Heartache. The tutorial boss fight. So okay, we're gonna have to reinstall. All dependencies. Okay, there we go. We're going to say yes, and it's going to install. Okay. Now we're gonna type sudo air script. I guess it didn't work. And then we're gonna do 7 for extra tools. We're gonna type 3. This will trigger the pen test or penetration test. And then we will click S to scan the network. But if you're connected to a normal network, it should work for you, but for me it's not working, so yeah. And that's how you do a penetration test. We're gonna power off the machine, and there we go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.